Hi, my name is Emma Rodwin, and I work with the intermediate program here at Butler Montessori. I'd like to talk a little bit about the MMUN program, or Montessori Model United Nations. You may have heard of Model UN programs. They happen all over the country and all over the world, actually. But what makes Montessori Model UN really special is that it has an emphasis on Montessori principles such as creativity and independence, and especially collaboration and consensus. So instead of this experience being really competitive, it really is about bringing Montessori students from all over the world together so that they can share in ideas and solutions to really serious global problems. The process for MMUN starts back in the fall when the students find out what country it is that they are going to be representing and what topics they are going to be studying. So they do some research about their country in which they are representing a delegate from that country, and they're also learning a little bit more about whatever their global topic is. These topics range from everything from nuclear disarmament to peace and security for rural women, right? And everything in between. In the process of doing research, they're learning how to take notes and how to put all of their ideas together in what we call a position paper. This paper really states their position as a delegate in the scope of their problem in their country. They also have to prepare a speech that they are going to share with others. And all of this preparation leads towards a conference in New York City in February. Students are invited to attend this conference, though it is not required. But at the conference, if they choose to go, they will work with Montessori students from around the world. They will deliver their speeches. We've had students have the opportunity to speak in front of crowds as big as 2,000 people, which is really just incredible for self-confidence. When the students come back from MMUN, they take all of the information that they've learned and share that with their Butler community so that everybody can really see the impact that they have made throughout this process. MMUN is incredibly life-changing. It can be transformational for students, helping them to really hone those research, writing, and public speaking skills.